Hi, I'm Mason. Today, I am not gonna pop a balloon. I'm gonna stick this needle through this balloon without popping it. All you need is a needle, tape, and a balloon. Blow up a balloon about 3/4 full. Next, put on a piece of tape. Then stick a needle through the tape in a balloon. It didn't pop. The tape makes a seal around the needle. That means the air can't get out. Balloons only pop when air gets out suddenly. You can stick a pin in this experiment. It's done. That was a bad joke. Please subscribe for more videos.